Hello, I'm a real estate agent. Is that why you're drooling acid and standing on a baby? Yes. Would you like to rent this house? It's only $7 million a month. Really? What's the catch? I'm afraid the neighbors are friendly. Okay. Hello. We just wanted to welcome you to the neighborhood with some home-cooked brownies. Now we do this so every time we see you put the bins out or get the mail in, you'll have to stop and have a lengthy conversation with us. No. Hello. I hope you don't mind, but I've mowed your nature strip for you. This means that when you go to mow it yourself, you'll have to wrestle with the idea of whether or not you should return the favor. No! Hello! We're inviting you to a party at our house. If you don't come, then it will forever be awkward, and you'll have to spend the night being quiet in your house with the lights off, so it gives the impression you were out. No! Hello! I'm collecting for my daughter's fun run! No, I can't handle it. It's too scary. Melissa, darling. Are you okay? It's only a movie, dear. I'm sorry. It's just, I never told you this, but my father was a real estate agent. Boo-hoo, 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 boo-hoo. Oh, Melissa, I'm so sorry. I know. Can you ever forgive me? No. What? You heard me. I said no. Oh, how can anybody be so cruel? Well, there's a reason I'm so cruel. For you see, I too am a real estate agent. Mwaha! That's impossible. Boo-hoo. You're not getting your bond back no matter how clean you leave the place. Boo-hoo. We'll find something wrong with it. Mwaha! Gasp! What's the matter, dear? Are you having another bad dream about that nondescript middle-aged couple again? Oh, Mother, real estate agents aren't really real, are they? Of course not, dear. No one would choose to be such an inherently evil, morally bankrupt, vapid, slimy, devoid of personality, cocaine-fueled, ghoulish purveyor of misery in a shiny suit, son of a bitch, bastard-faced cretin. It was all just a dream. Now go back to sleep. Oh, just one more thing, though. Mother, why are you standing on that baby? Get ready to stuff everything into cupboards, as we're coming around to inspect the property you've been living in for 7 years, just to remind you it's not your home. Oh no, not you too, Mother. We'll strongly imply there's no pets allowed, despite that now being illegal, so you'll have to take out all the cat stuff every time we do an inspection. Wah! And soon, as the virus spread, the whole world fell to the real estate agents, with everyone becoming oily and ingratiating. And now that the world was full of real estate agents, everyone became homeless. Because satire, I guess.